So friends, let's make this delicious peanut butter chicken. So here I've taken about 300 grams of boneless chicken breast, cut them into small pieces, and I'm just going to fry them in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 5 minutes. Now you have to take out all this stock. We're going to use this stock in the recipe, so don't discard it. But we want the chicken to be nice and golden brown and fried. So fry the chicken. This took me about 7 to 8 minutes, and now we have the chicken all browned, so set this aside. Now in a pan I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Don't heat the olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. And we're going to fry this garlic for at least half a minute to a minute. Now you never heat olive oil. The minute you add olive oil, just add the garlic immediately to the pan. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So this is my husband Abhijit's recipe. It's his own creation and it's mind-blowingly delicious. Now I'm going to add this stock that we just took out back into the pan. That is the stock from the chicken that we were frying. We're going to add that back. It has a lot of flavor. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney. And I'm going to mix in everything really well together. So this is real, weekend cooking. We were just doing this on a Friday night. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now you can either use the crunchy or the smooth peanut butter, but I like to go with the crunchy. Mix everything well. That was 1 tablespoon we added first, and now I'm going to add the 2nd tablespoon, as you will see shortly. So here is the 2nd tablespoon of peanut butter going in, and mix it all well. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. This is Tokyo style teriyaki sauce. Now guys, all of these sauces are available in, a supermarket or even in a normal store. You get all of these sauces. So don't skip out on any of these sauces. I keep getting questions from my viewers. Can we supplement this with something else? Can we skip it? No guys. And all of these sauces are available online. They're available in a normal general store. Now I'm going to add this smoky barbecue sauce. Because if you skip out on the ingredients or you try to substitute it with something else, honestly speaking, you won't get the same taste that I'm looking, that we have or I want to give to you. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. And all of these sauces are available in the brand Vibha here in Mumbai, India. So, it's really easy. We have access to all of it, so don't skip out on the sauces, honestly speaking. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything in well, because all of the flavor is in all of these ingredients that you add to the dish. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. Mix everything in well. And you can prepare this peanut butter chicken, and just keep it in your refrigerator and use it. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. So you can make sandwiches out of this. You can just have it with a chapati or a puri. You can have it with pulao or rice. So this is the citric acid we are adding. And mix everything in well. And now I'm just going to add the chicken. Now I'm going to show you at the end of the video how I use it, in making a roll using tortilla sheets. So now mix all of this in really well together. So this is how it looks. It's really, the aroma of this dish and the taste of this dish is just amazing. So our peanut butter chicken is all ready. Now I'm just going to make a salad roughly. So I've added half a teaspoon of oil to a pan. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped cabbage. To that I'm going to add some capsicum thinly sliced. I'm going to add some carrots thinly sliced and some onion thinly sliced, and then I'm just going to add a pinch of salt and pepper, and we're just going to saute all of this. This becomes a little bit of a light salad that goes into our roll. Don't saute it for a very long time, just for half a minute, because we want that crunch. Now I've taken my tortilla sheet and I'm just going to roast it gently on the pan. I want it to be soft. You don't want it to make it like a quesadilla or an enchilada. It should just be like a normal soft pori. You can also use a wheat pori or a roti, but these tortilla chips have a flavor of their own. Now this is our lovely peanut butter chicken, so I'm just going to put it on through the tortilla chip onto one side like this, because we are going to make a roll out of it. So don't overfill it or don't underfill it, just keep it at the right amount, so roughly like 2 tablespoons. So now I'm going to add this salad that we prepared, which is crunchy as well as cooked a little. It's not like overcooked or over raw. It's just the perfect size, and I'm going to add the perfect taste, and I'm going to add some shredded cheese. So I'm just using regular Amul cheese which I've grated. I'm just going to add that, and I'm going to tightly roll this tortilla sheet. And the rolls are ready. I'll just show you one more. So this is a great tiffin item for kids. This is a anytime snack. Just prepare the chicken, get these sheets, and you're all set. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try, and do let me know about your comments in the comment section below. Check out all my recipes, guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. See ya. I'm going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.